I'm a hard-headed man with a heart full of pride, raised on whiskey in the backwoods sky. Ain't nobody gonna tell me what's right. I walk my path in the dead of night. They say I'm trouble, well, maybe it's true. I don't run with the crowd, I do what I do. Got my boots in the dirt, my hands in the fight. Living like an outlaw, I ain't asking twice. On this outlaw road I made my stand. Ain't no law man gonna take my land. Living rough, living proud, no compromise. I was born to raise hell and I don't apologize. From the holler to the town, I'm blazing my own trail. On this outlaw road, no way I'll ever fail. I keep a gun by my side and a girl on my mind, with a cold beer in hand and no fear time. Got my Chevy rolling fast, kicking dust in the wind, out here on the edge where the world begins. Ain't nobody gonna slow me down. I'm the king of these hills, I own this town. If you come looking for a fight, boy, you better know you're messing with an outlaw who's ready to blow. On this outlaw road I make my stand. Ain't no law man gonna take my land. Living rough, living proud, no compromise. I was born to raise hell and I don't apologize. From the holler to the town, I'm blazing my own trail. On this outlaw road, no way I'll ever fail. I was raised on the sound of a steel guitar. Out here we're rough, but we're built like stars. Man's gotta fight for what he believes, and I'll stand tall till the day they bury me. On this outlaw road I make my stand. Ain't no law man gonna take my land. Living rough, living proud, no compromise. I was born to raise hell and I don't apologize. From the holler to the town, I'm blazing my own trail. On this outlaw road, no way I'll ever fail. So let them talk, let them try. This outlaw road will never die. I'll keep riding till the end of time, living like an outlaw, free and wild.